Well, here we are at Rainbow Beach. Doing a bit of ridge soaring. It's coming in probably east, maybe a little bit south. It's second fly of the day. Watching the guys go past. Bit of fun, there we go. You can see all the way up the Fraser there. All the way down here. It's probably a little bit less lift down this way, so I've avoided it if possible. But it's a magic view. It's kind of round, and I would have a bit of a look this side of the ridge. As well. Plenty of lift going around. Spin around and have another look at this way. That's the beach. You don't want to be down there. Hello. Well, here we are down at the other end of Rainbow Beach. It's coming in pretty low, so it's good cruising down this way. Having a bit of fun. Woohoo! Spin around. Spin around, so we're going to look down the end. A couple of gliders there.